This is our RS series LED panel. It can be used for both indoor and outdoor. The size is 500 by 500 millimeter. Its weight is 7.5 kilogram. Now I will show you the LED panel. At the top, here is the handle. You can handle the LED panel easily. There is corner protection equipment. It can protect the LED not be broken easily. You can open it and close it. Here is fast lock. You can lock two cabinets from bottom and up easily. And here is left fast lock. There is power plug. You can insert the power cable easily. Here is singular plug. And here we can print your logo. This is indicator light. You can use it to test white, red, green, and blue color. And this is the independent power box. The receiving card and power supply is inside it. If your power supply and receiving card is broken, you can replace a power box just in 5 seconds. The LED panel can be bent to minus and plus 20 degrees. And 8 LED panels can be made a small circle.